Hello everyone! What are we going to tackle today is about how to set the cash register in full screen display. So the things that we need to do is to first check the resolution of the cash register machine. Second is set the resolution in the cash register's profile. Next and the last is restart the restaurant POS. So first we need to do is to check the resolution of our cash register machine. So in order to do that, we do the right click on the mouse, then click the display settings, and then look for the display resolution. So on my machine, I have 1920 or 1920 by 1080. So that's my resolution. So next we need to do is to configure that resolution on the POS setting. So look for the Coolroyd, then Agile, then look for config, then any, and then on the CX screen and CY screen, just copy for the first numbers 1920 and then 1080, then save. Then after saving it, click the restaurant POS. So it is now, for example, this one, there is still a space here. So if we're going to open it, so no more space on the side, so it is already a full screen. So that's how we configure the full screen for our restaurant POS.